So we continue from where we stop. We are looking at another question still on logarithms. Evaluate the following without using tables. We have question 1 that says log 2 log 5 plus log 36 minus log 9. Now note, since there is no base indicated, it means they are in the natural base 10. So you treat it in base 10. Now whenever you don't see any base, know that they are in base 10. So we are going to solve it using base 10. Now we quickly solve this. Let's return this back here. So that will now be log 5 raised to the power 2 plus log 36 minus log 9. So we have that. Now you know that log 5. Okay, we already know that this is 5 raised to the power 2, which is 25, and this is 36, and this is 9. Now, from the laws of logarithm, we know that whenever there is plus, it means we are going to multiply the logs, and when we have minus, we will divide the logs. So I'm going to start with this. Now, this will now be log 25 times 36. Now we divide everything by 9. Everything is to base 10 because this is base 10. Base 10. Remember, we are dealing with natural base, so base 10. Now to base 10. Now by the time you do this, now 9 will go into 36. We can use this. 9 will divide itself 1. 9 will divide 36 4. So that when we say 4 times 25, we have 100. So this will now be log 100 to base 10. And we know that 100 is the same as 10 raised to the power 2. 10 raised to the power 2 to base 10. So you know that 10 raised to the power 2 is 100. Now don't forget, we bring out this. This will now be 2 times log 2 or log 10 to base 10, and log 10 to base 10 is equals to 1. So this will now be 2 this will now be 2 times 1. 2 times 1, which is equals to 2. So the answer to that question is 2. So we have that. Answer to that question is 2. Now let's look at the next question quickly. So the next question 2, we have log 30 divided by 6 to base 10 minus 2 log 5 divided by 9 to base 10 plus log 400 divided by 243 to base 10. Now we apply the same law we have just learned. So this will now be log 30 divided by 16 to base 10 divided by 5 over 9. Now I'm going to raise this to power 2 because I'm bringing this guy. I'll bring this 2 to raise this as power. So raise to power 2. Now times 400 divide by 243. So divide by 243. Now this will now become log 30 over 16 to base 10. Now if we change this to times, that is, you know that this is the same as 5 raised to the power 2, which is 25, 9 raised to the power 2, which is 81. So we'll be having we'll be having 25. We'll be having 25 over 81 here. That is 5 raised to the power 225, 9 raised to the power 281. So we'll be having 25 over 81. Now, since this is division, so if we change division sign to multiplication sign, this will now become 81 divided by 25. Just keeping just one step there, 25. Now times 400 over 243. So we have that. Now we begin to look for numbers to split this. Now 25 can divide itself 1. 25 can divide 400. If 25 divide 400, we have 16. 25 divide 400, we have 16. Okay. Now 81 can divide itself 1. 81 can divide 243. 81 can divide 243 3 times, because 81 times 3 will give us 243. Now I think I have something here. We have 16 here, so 16 can divide this. So any number up can divide the number down, provided they are divisible. So 16 here can divide itself 1. 16 can divide 16 down here 1. So everything about 16 is gone. So we are left with 30 and 3. We are left with 30 and 3. Now 3 can go into 30. Remember, 30 is up and 3 is down. So 3 can divide itself 1. Then 3 can divide 30. We have 10. So 3 will go into 30. We have 10. So with that, we have been able to simplify this. Now we are now left with log. Everything up is 10, because 10 times 1 times 1 is 10. So we have 10. 10 times 1. 10 times 1. 10 times 1 times 1, we have 10. So we have that. Of course, you know that when the log and the base are equal, then what you're going to have is 1. So the answer to this whole question is 1. So everything we have solved from the beginning to this very end is 1. So that is just what we have at the end of this whole solving. So don't forget to follow us in the next video. We're going to continue from here. We're going to solve the number 3 and the number 4 in the next video. So please stay tuned to the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on our Facebook page.